I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on.
Hey y'all, happy Saturday. I'm on my way out to get me some seafood, saucy crab. I'm so excited about it. It's a very nice day outside. It is 68 degrees and it's feeling very much wonderful. I'm supposed to be going out later. I don't know if I am though. So y'all, I really just woke up this morning, decided to take my hair out. I washed it and blow dried it, which is why I'm looking like this, as y'all can see. And then hold on, let me sit y'all down for a second. And then don't be trying to inch out now, goofy. And then I was like, well, you know what, now I want to put some box braids in my hair. Well, actually I was already going to put box braids in my hair because I'm moving at the end of the month and I have to go back to work like in the office starting next week. So I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, when I be getting up and stuff for work, I get up late. I'm not gonna lie, I do not get up on time all the time, and me having weave is gonna set me back. Every time I'm finna put this Carmex on, the light changes. But yeah, and having weave and stuff, because I'm actually have to do my hair and flat ironing and stuff like that, that's gonna set me back. So I like to get protective styles. I like to get protective styles so that I'm able to just, you know, get up and go. Basically, throw it in the bun or leave it hanging. However, whenever I'll be able to just get up. So I'm gonna do my braids tomorrow. I actually need to go to the grocery store, so I'm probably not gonna do that until Monday when I get off work, and hopefully everybody is gonna be able to not be in my damn way. Because the thing about me, when I go back into work, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I'm out in the field. So that pretty much means I'm doing like assessments in the field and in the community and stuff like that. And then once I'm done, I get to go home. So, for example, on Monday, I have 3 people to go see, 3 visits to go do. And then after I do my visits, I'm done for the day. You get what I'm saying? I'm ready. I can go home. So I have a 9:30, a 10:30, and 11:30. So I should be done probably by 12:15, 12:30ish. And then from there, I'm literally just gonna go to the grocery store and then go home and then continue my work at home. So it's actually a good thing, honestly and truly. But yeah. So yeah. For the time being, y'all, today I think I'm just gonna do some feed-ins. I probably do like 6 feed-ins or something like that, just to hold me over till tomorrow. Because like I told y'all, I am doing my box braids tomorrow morning. So that's that. I'm excited to do that. I really am. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't had braids in a while. I had weave for a month, which is pretty good for me because I usually don't last long. But I had weave for a month since my birthday, and now it's just time for me to put my hair back up. It's about to get warm outside. It's time for me to start like oiling my hair again. So yeah, I'm trying to get my hair to grow to bra strap length, y'all. I can't really show y'all right now in the car like how long it is, and it's not even pressed out or nothing. So I really, you know, this is just an idea, but I'm trying to get my hair to bra strap length, and so I'm about to be back in my protective styles. That's what I do. I love a good protective style. I need to get me some car seat covers and stuff for my car from Walmart. So I'm gonna show y'all what I end up getting on Monday. Because the ones I had them for like 3 years. So I had to get some new ones. Or I might order some off Amazon. I'm probably gonna show y'all what I want to order when I get back home. Or have y'all help me pick them out. Even though technically y'all not, because this video is gonna go up after I get them. But it's okay. Y'all get what I'm saying. Or maybe I'll wait until y'all let me know which ones I should get. But yeah, let me tell y'all something. Y'all, gas is $4. Like, are we living in California or something? Are we in LA? Like, what's tea? Why is gas $4? Like, I'm taking my time driving, y'all, because no, like $4. Are y'all serious? What the Joe? Like, groceries is $1,000 for 4 bags of groceries. Gas is $5 a pop. Like, it's just ridiculous. We saving more than we spending. That's what Lil Baby said. So that's what we on for 2022. So y'all know how I told y'all I wanted to be back home at 3 o'clock. It's actually 3:04, but I'm done at the grocery store. And like I told y'all, I live 2 minutes away, so I should be at home literally in like 2 minutes. So we did great timing. I didn't get a lot, but I still got enough. I got enough. So I'm on my way home. I'm gonna take the groceries up and all that. And I don't know if I'm gonna do a grocery haul. I'd probably just show y'all these water bottles that I picked up. Because I'm excited about that. I'll probably just show y'all that. I don't think I'm going to show y'all all my groceries. Because it's the same shit. You know, chicken, heavy whipping cream. You know, we all really eat the same shit, just different days. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm going to talk to y'all when I get home, which should be very quickly, okay? Just because I have some things to sort out. You know what I'm saying? Well, let me start here. Adulting is very fucking hard. I don't think that I don't think anything can prepare you for adulthood. Like, to be honest with y'all, it's gonna be so many trials and errors, y'all. So many trial and error moments you're gonna have as an adult, because it literally is just like, it fluctuates. Like, this shit, it's no rule book to it. It's no like right or wrong, obviously outside of like your morals and stuff like that, but it's no right or wrong. Like, it's just you going with the flow, to be honest with you. And I feel like I just recently learned, you know, like, you literally just have to roll with the punches sometimes. Even if you try to like create a plan, even if you try to make things, you know, go a certain way, most of the time it's not gonna happen that way. It's not gonna go that way that you need it to go. Let me put this light. I was saying, your 20s is very fucking ghetto to me. Like, I'm really honestly so tired of my 20s. I'm not gonna lie, because it's exhausting. Like, it just seems like it's always something. It just seems like, ugh, my God, you literally just trying to figure this shit out. Honestly and truly, like, you're just trying to figure it out day by day. You just trying to like make stuff make sense. You get what I'm saying? And a lot of times this stuff do not be making sense. Like, a lot of your 20s don't make sense. And I see why. We have all these damn mental health issues, because this is cute. I can't wait to wear this in the summer. I'm trying to think, y'all. Should I know I'm going to put all of my winter clothes in storage, because this March is about to be April. If this is all the 20s is going to be, I could wrap this shit up in 30 me, please. 30 me, please, because, man, I'm tired of trying to figure it out every day. Like, then it's like, you in the midst of becoming who you supposed to be. You in the midst of trying to break these habits and stuff that you had as a young child. Oh, this is another thing she said. We talked about, like, you spend a lot of your time unlearning. Even in your 20s and your 30s, you spend a lot of time unlearning a lot of shit that you thought was right, that you thought you resonated with, that you thought you believed in. And I feel like that's where I'm at too. Like, at this point, y'all, I just learned how to go with the flow. I'm not stressing about things that I can't control. I'm not doing it. I'm just genuinely not going to do it, because what's the purpose? You can't control it. But yeah, you just never know, like, how things are gonna go, how life is gonna go. It's ghetto, y'all. Nobody told me adulthood was gonna be ghetto. Like, nobody told me that. I don't know. It's just, I was talking to my supervisor, and she said the same thing. She was like, well, you know, life right now is hard for everybody, and her included. And she was just like, yeah, you know, she was like, I'm going to be honest with you, like, you're going to do a lot of starting over in life. It don't matter what age you are. It don't matter. It's okay, y'all, to take 2 steps backwards to be able to take 20 steps forward. Like, sometimes that's just what it will take for you to move forward. I'm listening to myself. I'm listening to my intuition. I'm listening to God. I'm listening to everything, because it's going to make sense. Like, I feel like at this point, I'm not trying to control nothing. I'm trying to go straight. I'm trying to go where I'm supposed to be, straight ahead. I'm not trying to go left, right, back, none of that. Only way I'm trying to go is forward. And so I feel like this is necessary. This is part of the journey. I'm actually super excited. Just because I know exactly what I'm about to do. Like, I know what I'm about to do. I know how I'm about to do it. Like, I'm really about to just tap into everything that I need to tap into. Like, when I just told y'all I'm putting my ass and titties in 2022, I really mean it. It's always good closing the chapter, because you know right after that you can start writing a new one. You know what I'm saying? When you close another door, you're gonna open another one. So I'm just excited about that aspect. I got so many plans, short term, like within 3 months, within 2 months, 6 months, stuff like that. So yeah, different mindsets, so many things that I'm just acquiring more about life, so many things that I'm like, I don't know, it's weird. Like, growth is weird, evolution is weird, like elevation is a little weird. I'm not even gonna say it's weird, I just feel like it's uncomfortable, but it's necessary. You get what I'm saying? Instead of fighting against it, I'm just like, okay, we about to roll out, roll with the punches, because that's all we can do. So that's where I'm at with it, y'all. That's my little spiel. I need to hurry up and clean up this front room. I don't know if I'm going to show y'all the process of me cleaning up. I probably am. Like, this front room is a mess, y'all. This front room is a mess, but I do need to hurry up so I can cook and stuff. I'm about to go ahead and listen to my music and stuff like that, and then I'll be back. We'll talk later, okay? And when I'm done.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, crack so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, alone is where you're going to end up. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby.
I wait.
Narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Cut throat, shot trees with the Drake.